Give you we're going to make a decorated face mask. So guys, if you see, this is nothing but a piece of sequins fabric, and if you guys see, it's cut like a triangle. So when you take it and measure it up to your face, see that the point of the triangle go there, and this part goes like that. So there you go, there go your face mask. But if you can see these raw edges, and you don't want to fold sequins over in your face. So guys, I took 2 pieces of spandex fabric and cut it on the bias, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to case it around this face mask, guys, so that it'll prevent the sequins from cutting my face, guys, from scratching against my face. So I'm going to take it all the way around, and then I'll come back. So I got the bias going all the way around, and guys, what I wind up doing, this is the same. I'm going to use that for the ear tab. Do you see that? So when I sew it down, so now I'm just going to take it, guys, and pin it, and I'm going to use that for the ear tab. So now I will have my face mask, guys. So I just got to sew it down. So you see, I got this pinned. So now I'm just going to sew that down. Let me get it on here, pinned on here, right? Which way do I need to go? I got to pin it right. Okay, right there. Okay, I'm going to sew it down, guys, and then I'm going to come back and try on this decorated face mask, guys. I'm going to sew this side down, and I'll come back. I got it all sewed on, so I got it on one ear, guys. I'm going to connect it over here to the other ear, guys. And if you need to make it tighter, guys, you can make the ear tabs tighter, but there you guys go, a decorated face mask, and I use bias script so that I don't have the sequins touching my face. So the inside of the mask, the sequins is not touching my face. So that is how I made this sequence decorated face mask. I've been making a lot of face masks, guys. I'm gonna show you. I got a lot of them. I'm waiting on the elastic to come, but if you guys, if you guys see, these are all face masks. So I got them, more to come. So I've been working on a lot of different ones. So denim, all different kinds, guys, I've been making. So I'm just waiting on the elastic to come in the mail. And alrighty, guys, bye-bye.